Good morning. Alright, so hold up. About them. They ate all the egg. Still got some food left in there. Grace and the chickens on top of the roof this time. Alright. Oh. Come on, you guys. You don't come out? They're eating. Oh, what they're doing, following me for? Oh! So here's the thing. Yesterday, we don't know who it was, but there's been a dog digging at my not our neighbor's chickens coop. Something. And when I let him out yesterday, before I went out, someone was yelling. And we don't know if it was Branson or another dog, but she was yelling, get out of here and all that. So we opened up the door, and when I opened the door, Branson was standing outside the house. Well, it's like so dark. When I opened up the door, Branson was standing on the side of the house. And so Shirley's like, open the door. So I opened it. And Brian came back in. And then I went out. And then like maybe 5-10 minutes later, someone pulls up. Our neighbor pulls up into our driveway. I was asking us if our dog's been out. And, you know, he said, yeah. But we believe he was standing outside the house the whole time. And she goes, well, there's this dog that's been trying to get into my chickens. And I don't think it's yours, but I just don't know. So we're going to have to keep Franny on the chain until we see another dog over there. So that's why Bridie's not running around. Other than that, we just gotta wait. But anyways, we got some chickens to feed. Yeah. And also, I got something to show you guys, which I might upload it as a double video soon. Oh. We gotta feed the rooster inside the trailer. I don't know if we have to water them or not. But I'm gonna do 3. So I'm gonna give a scoop to, well, not a scoop, but half a scoop to the rooster. Actually, no, I'm just gonna do 2. Yeah, check the rooster's water over there. Alright. Let's go. Let's go ahead and feed the rooster. Actually, first, let's feed the rooster. I'm a bit lost right now. But anyways. Don't know where to start. Don't know what to do first. The rooster's standing right there. I don't know if you guys can see him. There he is. There's the guy. I just want to see something. Wow. Oh, his food's covered up. His little plate. So I just sort of grab the bowl and put it in here. That's pretty loud there, big guy. Alright, he's fed. Let's feed the girls over here. Feed the chits. I'm pretty sure they're hungry. I'm thinking. So I had to go. I had to throw it right there so that I'm probably have to go grab some more food. I don't think this will be enough. Alright. Alright, hang on, let me grab the bowl. I'll grab another spoon. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some to put in our pan. So I have a big old handful to the rooster inside the trailer. So I came up a little bit short. Who knows how to put 3? I'll put 3. 1.5. How about that? There we go. Oh, I forgot to say, but I'll put the spices on the side of the string. Because that's our spice mix that we use. Well, anyways. Let's go fill up this pan over here. And I'd grab the other water bowl. Put this little man. Little spices, man. Little spices. Hello, man. Hello, one. Alright, let's dump out the food. There we go. Calm down, calm down. The water is done. Water, too. Hook the water bowl out. Yes. Their water bowls are doing this quite early in the morning. It's like 7:30, 8 o'clock. Normally I do it around 8:30. I usually go. It's usually the time I get home from work, so. But I don't have to work today, so do it a little bit earlier. Whoa. Alright, let's roll out Hankton now. One, two, three. Well, about 2.5 because that wasn't really a full scoop, but oh well. Alright, the lid ain't gone close. No, well. like there's something walking. Alright, let's go let out Hankton now. Hey, it's like darker than normal. Alright, let's unlock the sea killer. Oh, we don't have to water them. That's a good thing. Let's pour their food in. First, let's take this out here. There they come. There they are, eating their foods. There's one of the ladies. Here's another one of the white ones. What happened to you to the side of your head? Get attacked by one of the other ones? The spice mix is working pretty good. Their butts are becoming cleaner on some of them. Oh, that one. Hi, girl. Alright. We got some chickens to water. Which I mean by some, I meant just the girls, the little ones. I have to check on Falcon and their water. I think I did. It was looking fine. There you go. I almost missed it. But anyways. So that's what's going on lately. I wish Brian was out here with us. Oh, down here with us. But, you know, some things happen where you can't do nothing. Can't do nothing about it until it gets fixed. But I'm pretty sure it wasn't our Bronson, because he hasn't dug a hole in forever. I know it used to did, but he doesn't really did no more. Alright. We gotta turn on the water. And be on our way. There was a spider crawling on the ground. But anyways. Turned it on. Anyways, something I wanted to say. Oh, I forgot. Let's clean the bowls. And I can fill up the jug. Oh yeah, they ate the egg. They ate those boiled eggs. I forgot to show you guys that. Alright, there's one bowl. I know this one's pretty bad. Nah. That's both of them cleaned. Good enough, huh? Let's open this. What was that? That was a weird noise you made. I got a growl. I spaced them out so they don't step on each other when they're drinking. Right here, let's fill them up. There, they're filled. And they're fed. Alright. I don't know if we need to fill up the jug because Hank and their water's fine. Their bowls were pretty much full. The chickens don't drink a lot of water during the cold months. I don't know why, but they don't. They do eat a lot though. That's for sure. So I'm thinking if I should go give little man and Falcon and them some more food. They had a little bit left in their bowl, but enough to eat for today, but they're out walking around. There's a dragonfly. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a dragonfly. It's actually really good to have dragonflies around. It's really good. Anyways. Nothing has changed up there yet. Nothing has been done yet. They haven't been here because it's the weekend. Really nothing's up. Hasn't changed. But we are going to be putting up. It's a bait dragonfly. But we are going to be putting up that little thing that we were talking about. I'll show you guys. Wait until we get there. Alright, I'll show you this. Here, I'll set you guys back. Here. I'm gonna put the, like the chits in this area. Well, the, cage will be from right here. And I believe all the way up to the end of here. I don't know if you can see me. It'll be all the way to the end of the fence over there. And then there'll be a little door right here. So the chicks can have a place to run and have some fun. Yeah, and they can see the other chickens. Because in order to introduce chicks to a flock, or new chickens to a flock, you have to keep them separated from a cage or a fence. And for like a few days or so, probably a week, let them get to know each other, and then you can bring them together. Well, that's not our case. We are going to be getting rid of them and putting them in our freezer, and then we're putting the new baby chicks that are over in that cage over there in there. And then next year when the grass grows and stuff over there, it's going to be full of grass. There's all the chicken poop and everything. So they'll have a lot to eat and stuff. There's that dragonfly. But anyways, that's what we have planned to do this weekend. Here, Hank. So yeah, it's one way of introducing chicks or chickens to another flock by keeping them separated by a cage. Or you can put them in a little kennel, put it inside the pen with them, and let them get used to each other that way. But either way works. That's all I want to show you. On the inside, there will be a wall from like, and right here, I believe it is, over. And yeah. You can go back in the other video and watch it, because I explain it more in there. Oh, I didn't flip back. Oh, sorry. Well, you guys can go watch it in the other video. And a few videos back, I think I explained it when we first had the idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 poles in. And we're going to run that wire that we have, like that, all the way to the end of the fence. And then everything. We got enough wire and fencing to do it. So, and with the cow's pen, with the cow pasture, this is what this is used for. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is what this is used for. All of that. And these are the gates to get inside the cow pasture. And this was a stand that we got from Facebook Marketplace with all these little 2x4s underneath there. And that's from our old hoop house. This was our old hoop house. On the front right there, we had chickens are fighting. We had the door and stuff to get inside, and this was the walkout from the coop. This was well, from the coop house into the out into this, something like that. Anyways, but yeah, that was from the old coop house. That was from the old one. I wish I would have shown you guys that, so you guys can see what a hoop house looks like. But if you want to build a quick and easy chicken coop, that's one way to do it. It's a hoop house, and it's quick and easy. Put it up within an hour, maybe less than that. Depends on how fast of a builder you are. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stretch the like button, pat the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. And always, stay squirrely.